I used to look up at the stars and get jealous of the sky, and I wonder what it's like to get to hold them every night, and how they first met and what it must have been like. Did they know it was the start?
Welcome everybody. I've known Noah since college, Lauren since elementary school, and I've been friends with the couple ever since and in between. And on behalf of the couple and the families, I'm thrilled to welcome us all today in this spectacular location for a wedding, with sunshine as well instead of rain. To set the stage for some of the themes we'll like to explore today in our celebration of this special love, I'd like to invite Lauren's aunt, Irene Sankey, to read for us a Native American wedding blessing.
Now you will feel no rain, for each of you will be the shelter for the other. Now you will feel no cold, for each of you will be the warmth for the other. Now there will be no loneliness, for each of you will be the companion for the other. Now you are two bodies, but there is one life before you. Go now to your dwelling place to enter into the days of your togetherness, and may your days be good and long upon the earth.
Choosing Park City as a place to make this lifelong commitment to each other was a beautiful decision. Lauren spent so much of her childhood here. This is the place where the two of you said I love you for the first time. And perhaps most importantly, this is the place where Noah learned how to skate. Today becomes yet another memory imprinted on these mountains. And now you have so many years ahead where you can imagine yourselves here. Pause for a moment and think about the memories you have yet to make in this place. The first time you come here with a family of your own. You might also come here in the hard years, when work is stressful, when communication falters, when the world seems to be falling apart. You'll see these mountains and remember this moment and all the other beautiful moments you shared here over the years, together as a couple and with your family, and you'll take hope in the changing of the seasons, in the passage of all the challenging times, and the knowledge that those challenging times are made easier by the presence of someone by your side. Since the ceremony's start, we've been standing underneath this chuppah, a Jewish tradition to symbolize with its openness on all four sides, that we all have a welcome invitation into their lives and the home that they're building together.
Noah, I fell in love with you 4 years ago, and I've only grown more in love with you every day. You're smart, funny, sweet, and have a curiosity about life and the world around you. I know there's truly nothing that you can't do, and nothing that you wouldn't do for me. I don't know where life will take us, but I know I want to be by your side for all of it. You are the first person I want to share my day with when I get home, and the first person I want to see every morning when I wake up. I vow to keep holding your hand as often as I do now. Whether I'm tired, excited, happy, or scared, I will reach for your hand because you make me feel grounded, you make me feel calm, you make me feel safe. I vow to never take our time together for granted, to savor the little moments we share together. It's not always easy to live and share your life with someone, but with you I have no doubts. I vow to make our house a home, and hopefully one day raise more than just Toro together. To see your wit, your patience, and your kindness reflected in another person would be my greatest joy. You are the love of my life, Noah, and I will always, always be here, holding your hand, loving you.
Lauren, you go through life with joy. Ever since you came into my life, it has been brighter. You're the happiest person I've ever met. I know it sounds vague, but it's true, and it's remarkable. You lift me up, and I feel so lucky to share life with you. I promise to cling to that gratitude forever, and never to take a day with you for granted. You're the most empathetic person I know. You have an innate, intense intuition for what others are feeling and an overwhelming urge to help them through whatever it is they're going through. This is why you became an oncology nurse. I promise to do my best to help instill these values, these things I love about you and your family, into our future children someday. But until that day comes, I will continue to treasure the life that we have built, you, me, and Toro. And I'm so excited to continue growing with you, Lauren. I love you.
You will now affirm your intent to marry by gifting a ring to one another.
I, Lauren, take thee, Noah, to be my husband, to have and to hold from this day forward, for rich or for poor, in sickness and in health, to love and to cherish, till death do us part.
Do you?
I do.
I, Noah, take thee, Lauren, to be my wife, to have and to hold from this day forward, for better or for worse, for richer or for poorer, in sickness and in health, to love and to cherish, until death do us part.
Do you?
I do.
Noah and Lauren have declared their intent of commitment to one another, as witnessed by all of us. But as one of our central themes today is unity, let's remember that we too stand as companion, source of warmth and shelter to the two of them. And so, let's all declare our commitment to them in turn. Noah and Lauren will not live in isolation. We, their community of family and friends, have responsibility to this couple. So, do you who are present here today vow to surround Noah and Lauren in love, offer you them their friendship, and support them in this marriage? Yeah. Noah and Lauren, as you step forward as a married couple, you have our sincerest wishes for a life that's filled with care, trust, and commitment, one in which you are always consoled by the support of your fiercest defender and your closest friend. There's so much joy ahead of you, and we are honored to be able to share in it, particularly today. Now, just a few words left to say. By the power vested in me by the state of Utah, I pronounce you husband and wife. You may kiss. I present to you for the first time, Mr. and Mrs. Saperstein.
Heartbeat in the quiet, spotlight in an empty room, a song in the silence, my dreams come into view. A light in the dark, the brightest star. My beginning. I see it now with you. It'll never be the same. The start of my heart, a river washing over me when you came and changed everything.
One time she comes home, she's talking about this guy Noah, and then it's Noah. This is record breaking because this guy not only he has his own individual name, but he has a backstory, and we learn about it.
Brooke and I are very grateful and feel so fortunate to have you for in-laws. Love you. He wasn't just sounding out words, he was reading books.
We did everything together. She was the only one who could convince my parents that I just needed a hamster or a guinea pig.
The first real glimpse of this data-driven passion that I personally witnessed was in high school when Noah dedicated himself to two concurrent things: rock band and getting into college.